When comparing Salesflare versus ActiveCampaign for email marketing, it's essential to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each, so you can make the right choice for your needs. Both are powerful tools, but they serve slightly different purposes, and the right one for you depends on the type of business you're running and your specific goals. Let's break it down and see which one holds up under scrutiny. But stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing a better option that combines the best features of both. Salesflare is a CRM built with email marketing and automation in mind. Its unique selling point is its simplicity and automation. If you're looking for a platform that helps with customer relationship management while also offering solid email marketing tools, Salesflare might be a great fit. The software automatically collects data, so you don't have to manually input customer info, which can save a lot of time. However, it's not as robust when it comes to more advanced email marketing features. So if you're a marketer looking for advanced segmentation or automation, you might find Salesflare lacking. Next thing, ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, has a strong reputation for its email marketing features, including sophisticated automation and deep segmentation options. It's an email marketing powerhouse, allowing you to create highly targeted campaigns, track customer behavior, and personalize emails with incredible precision. But here's the catch: while ActiveCampaign does offer CRM features, it's not as intuitive as Salesflare when it comes to managing customer relationships. If you're primarily looking for a tool to manage and nurture customer relationships, ActiveCampaign may feel more like overkill. Now, let's talk integrations. Both Salesflare and ActiveCampaign offer a range of integrations with other platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and more. Salesflare does have a few limitations compared to ActiveCampaign, which supports integrations with a broader range of third-party tools. If your business relies on a lot of different tools, ActiveCampaign might be the better option for you because of its flexibility. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Salesflare tends to be a little more affordable, especially for small businesses or startups that are just getting into CRM and email marketing. ActiveCampaign, however, offers a more flexible pricing structure, allowing you to scale with more features as your business grows, but it can be a little pricier. If you're working on a tight budget and don't need advanced email automation right now, Salesflare's pricing might be more appealing. But if you're looking for powerful automation and analytics, you might find ActiveCampaign's higher cost worth it. The fifth thing we need to cover is user-friendliness. While both platforms are relatively easy to use, Salesflare's focus on simplicity makes it more accessible for beginners or those who don't want to spend hours learning the platform. ActiveCampaign has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're going to dive deep into its automation features. That said, once you get the hang of it, ActiveCampaign offers a lot more control and customization in your email campaigns. So after trying both of these platforms myself, I can confidently say that they both have their merits. But if you're truly focused on email marketing and you want a better all-around solution, there's one tool I'd recommend over these two. After seeing what both Salesflare and ActiveCampaign offer, I found a much better alternative for businesses that want the best of both worlds. It gives you the powerful email marketing features you need, combined with the simplicity of CRM tools. If you want to take advantage of this, click the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial, where you'll get benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, after testing all the options, this is the one that truly stands out.